Hi guys, today is Friday, last trading day of the week, and market is down quite a lot. Nasdaq is more than 2% down, and even S&P is more than 1% down. And like I say, since last Friday, I suspect that the market is going to experience some selling pressure, and it did for the whole week. Like I said, this week I suspect it may ripple down all the way to even next week. It seems like it's ongoing, but like I say again, I don't expect this correction to be ongoing for very long. It should be still a small correction compared with a strong up wave happening last month, right? Let's jump in and I'll show you. Okay, so we are on my screen right now. You can see that the indices after market open, it was sold off very strongly. In fact, before market open, pre-market, it actually have a up wave, quite a strong up wave. But after that, after market open, it just sold off quite strongly. And right now, we can see S&P is down 1.2%, almost 1.3%, and Nasdaq is about 2.2% down, right? And even Dow Jones is about 0.7% down, right? So you can see most of my swing trades are actually going lower, but good thing is that overall my portfolio didn't go down too much. But having said that, my Google trade to buy actually hit my stop loss with a small loss, right? Things are not really going my way in terms of the swing trade, we can see that. But the good thing here is that my portfolio didn't go down too much, right? And this is because I make sure when things are not going well, I make sure the losses are small, right? So that when things are going well, I make bigger profits, right? Okay, so the key here is to lose more when things are not going your way, and win big when things are going your way, right? So adopting this and implementing this into your trades, especially your trade management, and mainly money management and risk management, in the long run you can still be consistently profitable, right? So overall still lesser profits definitely, but especially the whole week market was the overall market was going down. You can see over here, Tuesday it was a big down day, right? S&P actually went down 2%, right? Seldom it goes down 2%, and it went down on Tuesday, right? So for the whole week, almost every day it was going down, and yet my portfolio still holding up well, quite well, I would say, right? Okay, so not too bad, and that is because of the profit signal, right? Because with the based on the profit signal, we actually trigger to buy much earlier. So I have lesser profits, but I'm still in profit for Apple, right? Same thing for Amazon. Amazon triggered a sell, and now I'm in a profit, in fact, right? Boeing, I have one buy and one sell. My sell one is giving me profit, so it actually hedges off. It's a hedge against my buy trade, right? Okay, my buy trade was hitting stop loss, but my sell trade here is making me the profits back, right? So that's why you can see, even though I take losses, right, how come I'm not losing a lot? And partly also because of this, right? I have some trades on the sell side to balance off when the market is selling off, right? And this is all based on the profit signal, right? When you trigger a sell, I just do the trade, right? And there's a new trade on Meta, right? A buy, right? And this time is I went in at a good price. Why I say this is because by the time I see it, it was somewhere around this price, right? Instead of my entry price at 521, I actually got in around 507 plus a bit, right? So it's a blessing in disguise. Of course, it's very near to my stop loss, but I still execute the trade because this is still a valid trade to go long, right? Who knows, it doesn't hit my stop loss, and maybe next week it rebound, I actually make a much bigger profit anyway, right? And because it's very near to my stop loss, I actually reduce my risk. So even if it hit my stop loss, I don't actually lose too much as well, right? Okay, and we see how it goes, right? Okay, M video is down about 4%, right? Today. slightly lower than my entry price already, right? Okay, but it's okay. PFE is starting to go up a little bit. Didn't hit my stop loss, so we see how it goes, right? So basically, I am waiting for MRK and Visa to trigger again, right? Okay, like I say again, overall whole week the market was selling down, and most of my trades are on the buy side, right? Long side. Of course, there's a few short sell trades, but overall the portfolio is still looking quite okay, right? Not the best, all right, because most of my trades are on the long side, but my account is not going down so much compared with the overall indices being selling off quite a bit. Now even S&P is close to 1.5%, right? Before that, when I started this video, it was much smaller loss, right? Now it's much higher already, right? Okay, so it is really selling off quite strongly today, quite similar to Tuesday, right? And I expect that even though this based on this sell-off, right, is still considered not too big, because compared with the strong rally here, this is like maybe half of it, right? Still not a lot, but I do suspect that maybe next week, somewhere next week, maybe middle of the week or even towards the end of the week, this selling should taper down and start to rebound, right? We see how it goes. I'll definitely update you when I sense that the selling is really tapering off, and when I sense the up wave is coming soon, right? Okay, so that's all from me, and now it's the weekend, right? And I hope you enjoy your weekend, and I'll see you next week.
You love the video and learn something new from it? If you want to receive more videos like this, hit that subscribe button and ring that bell for notification. And if you want to learn more about the Trade to Win formula that I use in my trades, click on the link or button around this video to join my next free online workshop. In the workshop, you'll learn everything from finding the best opportunities to making consistent winning trades in the markets. I'll see you on the inside.